Standard Group has partnered with the Equity Bank to provide capital financing to newspaper vendors. The agreement will see the commercial bank give collateral-free loan to the vendors at a rate of 13%. This will increase access to much-needed working capital by micro, small, medium-sized enterprises. A rate cap introduced in September 2016 has led to a decrease in lending to the private sector. The partnership will also see content producers also access financing using their Equity line.
Disclosure.
Equity Bank has agreed to partner with us to basically bring value to our sales and distribution area of operation, and to also help us work with our vendors so that they are able to access products more easily. They are able to do their business without too much interference, and for that we are really grateful. We know that the business environment has been quite harsh, and that has had a certain impact across the whole value chain.
The access to micro, small, medium enterprises is corporate entities like yourselves. All your vendors are micro, small, medium enterprises, and they've been suffocated by lack of oxygen. The oxygen of business is cash flow. And we are coming and telling you, with our balance sheet,